Hello, today we will guide you through how to download Dataset from Kaggle to Excel. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the part of the process where you find and download a dataset from Kaggle so you can later open it in Excel. Kaggle hosts a huge variety of public datasets, so once you know where to click, the process becomes very straightforward. To begin, open your browser and go to Kaggle. Once the site loads, you'll be on the main homepage, which is where Kaggle organizes its competitions, notebooks, and data resources all in one place. If this is your first time using the platform, take a moment to get familiar with the layout, because most of the options you need are easy to access from the main navigation. Next, look over to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Data Hub. This section is where Kaggle groups together its data-related resources. It's the best place to start when your goal is to locate downloadable datasets rather than notebooks or competitions. After that, click on Datasets. This will take you into Kaggle's dataset library, where you can browse through collections shared by the community. Depending on what appears on your screen, you may see featured datasets, categories, or filters to help narrow things down. From there, click on a sample dataset. In the example shown, a sample item is selected from the list to move further into the datasets area. This step helps you begin narrowing down to a specific dataset page. If the page contains categories or grouped results, just follow the sample selection shown to continue. Then, click on the next sample item. This takes you from the broader dataset listing into a specific dataset page. At this point, you should be viewing the dataset details, where Kaggle typically shows information such as the dataset title, description, file contents, and available download options. Finally, go to the top right area of the dataset page and click Download. Kaggle will begin downloading the dataset files to your computer. In many cases, the dataset will be downloaded as a zip file, so once the download finishes, you may need to extract it before opening the contents in Excel. If the file inside is in CSV format, Excel can usually open it directly. That's it. You've successfully downloaded a dataset from Kaggle and prepared it for use in Excel. If you plan to work with the data right away, it's a good idea to save the extracted files in an easy-to-find folder so you can access them quickly when opening Excel.